I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's your latest weather on demand forecast. So if I were to sum up weather in the past week, it has been downright chilly, frigid, etc. But today, Tuesday, is our day 6 consecutively of our current cold snap, and we've seen, just keep shaking that chilly there. That's how cold temperatures were. 10.2 degrees below average. The average high, 18.4 degrees was our average high the last 5 days. And the average lows were 5.4. We typically see this around January 10th, and even around January 10th, we don't see highs around 18.4. That would be even colder than that. So get the idea that we're in some very chilly Arctic air, and this also depicts that exactly. These were some of the lows this morning: -9 from Iron River, -2 from Lens, -1 from Manistee, and of course some locations, many of them around the UP, were below zero when you factor in those winds, which the winds were not even that strong. Temperatures were so bitterly cold that, well, the wind chills are going to be below zero, and definitely need the extra layers going outside today. But I want to show you this because this depicts a little bit of a change coming in the next few days, and really the longer term pattern here. At 11 from Minneapolis, we are in the teens in the Dakotas and also heading farther west. Notice we're in the 40s in Billings and even 50s in Wyoming there, so it's that warmer air that's going to be on the move, and it has its eyes set on the UP. It's going to take a couple of days, though, as I said a moment ago, so that's unfortunate if you are sick of the cold, but hang in there, it does get better. Notice I want to show you this. Obviously, we have the big snowstorm going on there, a lot of coverage on that, so I won't add too much to say on that, other than they're going to get a ton of wind also with the snowfall. But areas around the Great Lakes are going to continue to see that northeast flow downwind of Lakes Erie, Michigan, and Superior. So that means several inches of snow will fall around each of those Great Lakes. Honing on in here to our neck of the woods, and we're talking about Marquette City proper, which is kind of unusual in that we have not seen this really for the last couple of winters set up like this. There's not going to be blockbuster totals, but certainly we'll see a couple inches out of this throughout the course of the day, and even going as far south as Gwinn and the Marquette County border there, along with Delta and Menominee even. And it's going to expand throughout the course of the day as our winds go more northerly. And so we're going to throw in the highest elevations of Berga County as well. As here's how your picture looks the rest of the day. Continued flurries and snow showers, but only for the select few in the central portions of upper Michigan as our winds continue from the north. But once this high pressure sinks farther south, that will allow things to finally change a little bit, and those winds will be easing and will allow some of the warm up to happen, to take place beginning tomorrow. Here's the snowfall totals though. The shades of blue are 1 to 3 inches. Even the darker blue highlights 4 to even as much as 6 inches can fall in those select persistent bands of lake effect snow, which we can see throughout the day on Tuesday and really ending by noontime on Wednesday. So highs today will be kind of a carbon copy of yesterday. 20s is a safe bet, a little bit warmer than that up to the west. 22 from Iron Mountain, and we'll do 17 from Newberry. But Wednesday is when we start to see the warm, at least a little bit warmer. We're still below average, but we're heading in the right direction. 30 to 23 will be our highs from west to east, and we will see the sun as well quite a bit in the afternoon. Your TV 6-day forecast now does feature a return to above average temperatures. It feels funny to say that. Thursday looks like a really nice day. Calm winds, sunny skies, and warming temperatures, middle and upper 30s, maybe even near 40 near the Wisconsin line. St. Patrick's Day unfortunately offers us rain and snow showers, so plan accordingly if you have any plans. Transition to snow showers on Saturday, could see a couple inches of accumulation. Sunday starts off mostly cloudy, ends up mostly sunny before our next rain and snowmaker comes in on Monday, but temperatures near 40 degrees.